All right, so you're thinking about a career that really, truly matters. Well, today we are laying out the entire roadmap, a step-by-step guide to becoming a certified Montessori educator, all online. If you've got a passion for helping kids grow and you want to turn that into a real profession, you are in the exact right place. Okay, let's get into it.
So let's just start with a really big question, one that I think a lot of us ask ourselves. Are you searching for something more than just a 9 to 5? Work that gives you a real sense of purpose, that makes you feel like you're making a difference. If that sounds like you, then this journey might be exactly what you've been looking for.
Before you start any big journey, you need to know where you're headed. But maybe even more important, you need to know why you're going. So our first stop is all about understanding the core philosophy. Because this isn't just another teaching method. For a lot of people, it's a genuine calling. So what exactly is the Montessori method? Well, at its heart, it's all about a deep, profound respect for the child. It's not about a teacher standing at the front of the room lecturing. No way. It's about creating this incredible, carefully prepared environment where kids can actually direct their own learning, get their hands on things, and learn to work together. It's really about being a guide, not a dictator.
Okay, so you get the philosophy, you're feeling that pull. Let's get practical. How do you actually get this whole journey started, right from your own computer? Let's look at how this idea turns into real, actual action. The starting line is actually pretty simple. It breaks down into 3 clear steps. First up, do your homework. Research accredited online programs that really feel like a good fit for you. Second, check out their prerequisites. Do you need a bachelor's degree or certain classes? And third, get all your stuff together and prepare a really thoughtful application. This is it, your first official step on the path.
So, you did it. You applied, you got in, awesome. But what happens now? What's it actually like? Well, we're about to step inside that virtual classroom and see exactly how you're going to build your professional toolkit. Now, online training isn't just one thing. You're probably going to see 2 main styles. Synchronous learning is live. Think real-time video classes, group discussions happening right then and there. Then there's asynchronous learning, which is all about flexibility. You watch lectures, you do your work, but on your own schedule. And honestly, most good programs use a mix of both, giving you the best of both worlds. So these are the core tools you'll be gathering. And it is so much more than just watching videos. You'll be in forums, talking, and collaborating with other students. You'll get personalized one-on-one feedback from your instructors. And you're going to create something called digital albums. These are amazing. They're basically your own personal digital textbook that you build for every single Montessori lesson. Seriously, this becomes your career by...
Okay, this next part is so important. We need to tackle the biggest myth about online Montessori training right now. People think you'll never actually get into a real classroom. That could not be more wrong. This part, the practicum, is the essential bridge that takes you from your screen to a real, living, breathing classroom.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. It is so true. You can read every single book. You can watch every video. But it's in that hands-on, real-life interaction with the kids and the materials, that's where the magic happens. That's when the philosophy really clicks and comes to life.
So let's be super clear here. Online training does not mean you're all alone. The practicum is your apprenticeship. It's a mandatory part of getting certified. For a long period, you'll be in an actual Montessori school, working under an experienced mentor, taking everything you learned online and putting it into practice.
And then, after all of that hard work, the studying, building your albums, the hands-on practicum, you've done it. You've reached the destination. You are a certified Montessori educator. So let's talk about what this incredible new beginning actually looks like.
Getting certified just opens up so many doors. I mean, the most obvious path is becoming a lead guide in a classroom, right? But wait, it doesn't stop there. Look at all these other possibilities. You could go into school administration, become a consultant, develop curriculum, or hey, even live the dream of starting your very own school. This training is a launchpad for leadership. But really, when you strip away the job titles and the paychecks, this is what it's all about. This is your real impact. It's about guiding and protecting that natural curiosity that every single child is born with. It's about helping them become independent, confident people who absolutely love to learn for their entire lives.
So there you have it. We've walked through the entire map, from that very first flicker of interest all the way to a deeply fulfilling career. The path is there, the steps are clear, and the destination is so worth it. The only question left is, where are you going